Hi, I'm Danielle Rogers. Some people know me as Danny, and I am the co-owner and brand manager of Badger Estate Maintenance. We are a full-service landscape company located in Milton, Wisconsin. So Badger Estate Maintenance was founded in 2008 by Nate Rogers, and it started with just him and has grown now into having 7 crews for landscape design, installation, maintenance, as well as a landscape supply store. I got involved in the business a couple years after Nate had started it. I was teaching at the time, and then once the company grew, I started working at Badger Estate Maintenance full-time. So I have been working at Badger Estate Maintenance since 2010. We serve primarily Rock County and the southern Wisconsin area, so Janesville, Milton, Beloit, Edgerton, and Madison as well. At Badger Estate Maintenance, our core areas of expertise are landscape design and hardscapes, ranging from walkways to paver patios to full-scale outdoor living areas, including pools, and comprehensive year-round maintenance for commercial properties and some residential as well. And you can get professional grass seed, topsoil, bulk mulch, decorative stone, sod staples, marking paint, anything you need, whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, we've got you covered. Our ideal client values quality craftsmanship, communication, and really takes pride in how their property looks all year round. We work very closely with homeowners, HOAs, business managers, and business owners, and we build a long-lasting relationship. At Badger Estate Maintenance, our core values are leading with professionalism, supporting our team, driving profitability, and giving back to the community. We chose to build our business in Rock County because of the strong sense of community and opportunity for growth. Nate is from Milton, and I was born and raised in Janesville, so this area is really home to us. What sets Badger Estate Maintenance apart is our customer experience. So from the first consultation all the way to your final walkthrough on your project, we have clear communication, high expectations. Our motto is we drive to exceed, or we are driven to exceed at Badger Estate Maintenance, and we don't leave until the job is done right. If we put a lawn in for you and it is a torrential rain the next day, and this has happened before, sometimes you can't help it even if you use straw blankets or erosion blankets, we'll go back and put more seed down for you. You're not gonna be like, well, you're out of luck, you know, like we take care of you. We take care of our customers and really value the relationship that we build with them.